Yes, and the second one is the growth stage. In this stage, there is many organizations are participating in the e-business. There is high competition between those organizations. The third one is the maturity stage. In this stage, the perception level will reach its peak, and the risk level will decrease. The last stage is the e-business transformation stage. This stage is transitional period in the evolution of e-business. It's like introduction for a new model of business. New business paradigm will be prospered. Require a new planning for e-business strategies and information and communication technology. E-business system will be reappraised and constituted as a component of the new information strategy. The e-business related law will be unified, an integrated body of international e-business law. They will be international e-business law. And the new technologies for existing e-business will be pursued with the objective of further advancement because they will be changed to a new model. The technology deriving e-business evolution will be transformed to user deriving evolution.
This is a technology driven e-business evolution. Like for example, if you see that before like when internet came over there, so only there was like static web pages. You could not interact with that one, and it was like you could not submit some, like customer could not interact with the web. But when the web 2.0, when interactive web, the dynamic web pages came into being, so the technology like because evolved from the like non-interactiveness to the interactiveness over there. People could easily interact with the web pages over there. You could submit the forms, and the database was connected with the web pages over there. So before, the database could not be connected with the web pages, but with the web 2.0 technology, we call it like web 2.0, so that evolved over there and you can interact with them. But and also the social media and all these things comes with the web 2.0. So the technology driven e-business evolution will be transformed to the user driven evolution. So the user is also transformed, means like before, for example, like if you ask your previous generation, they could not use the technology over there. They even don't know how to the touch screen. They were not aware of that. When the touch screen come over there, the transformation of the user evolution is dependent or is transformed from the technology driven over there.
Also, the firms that do not accept the innovation technology, at the end they will die out because they did not go with the transformative stage, and they were falling behind in the competition with more innovation in business.
Okay, right. So the important points in the slides are unified business laws, nationally, internationally, reconstruction and reconstitution of new components of information strategy over there, new planning, because planning for normal businesses and e-businesses are different over there, strategies are different over there, and new paradigms means like a new structure, new planning, new ideas over there. So there is a shift. If you don't evolve the user according to the new technology, you will die in that market. Your business will perish from that market. So the transformation is most important, and this is called digital transformation, which is now being evolved.